Looking for a time tracking app that's actually free and easy to use? In this video, we are reviewing Clockify to see if it's still the best time tracking software in 2026. Introduction. Clockify is one of the most popular time tracking tools for freelancers, remote teams, and businesses. It helps you track work hours, manage projects, and generate reports, all from one dashboard. Features. Clockify offers everything most users need: one-click timer or manual time entry, project and task tracking, timesheets for weekly work logs, team management with employee tracking, detailed reports on time, productivity, and billable hours, available on Windows, Mac, Linux, web browsers, Android, and iPhone with automatic cloud sync. The interface is simple, making it easy for beginners to start tracking time within minutes. Pros. Here is where Clockify stands out. One of the best free plans available with unlimited time tracking and unlimited users, easy to learn and use, works across almost every device, integrates with tools like Trello, Asana, Jira, ClickUp, Slack, and many others. Paid plans add features like scheduling, invoicing, approvals, GPS tracking, and advanced reporting. Cons. It is not perfect though. Some advanced features require a paid subscription. The interface can feel basic compared to competitors like Toggle Track. Reporting customization isn't as powerful as enterprise-focused tools. Verdict. So is Clockify the best time tracking software in 2026? If you want a free, reliable, and feature-rich time tracker for yourself or your team, Clockify is one of the best choices available. However, if you need advanced analytics, workforce monitoring, or complex project management, you may want to consider premium alternatives. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more software reviews, comparisons, and productivity tool guides. See you in the next video.